Welcome to the channel. Let us know about an interesting and valuable subject on security. Let us start. Security alert: how to unlock your PC safely with a pendrive. Unlocking a PC with a pendrive typically involves creating a bootable USB drive with a specialized software that can bypass the computer's login screen or reset the password. Here are the general steps to follow. Obtain a blank USB drive and a software program that can create a bootable drive. There are many software programs available online, such as Rufus, unauthorized, or Wintisp. Insert the USB drive into a working computer and run the software program. Follow the instructions to create a bootable drive using the software program. Once the bootable drive is created, remove it from the working computer and insert it into the locked PC that you want to unlock. Power on the locked PC and access the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key, usually F2 or F12, during the startup process. Select the USB drive from the boot menu and press Enter. The specialized software on the USB drive should then load and allow you to reset the password or bypass the login screen. Follow the instructions provided by the software to complete the unlocking process. It's important to note that this process may not work on all computers, particularly those with more advanced security measures in place. Additionally, this process should only be used on a computer that you own or have permission to access.